What's up, everybody? It's your boy A through 1 Bass Tactics, and I'm back for another fishing adventure. Today we're gonna be at Coyote Lake. Man, this lake's been closed for a few years for boating. It finally opened back on the 15th of April, and we're gonna try to smack them. I got a spinner bait, a jerk bait, a Nico rig, a weightless Senko setup. Man, I'm going all in. I'm gonna try some drop shotting. We'll see what they hit on, but stay tuned, guys. It should be a good one. Nice overcast day today. Spinner bait, jerk bait, Nico rig, drop shot setup, lead rig in case we run into some beds. Got the weightless Senko setup ready. Got that SLXDC on there. Yes sir, we're in business. Yep, this looks juicy. Alright, what to start with? I'm gonna start with reaction, work my way down to finesse if they're not that aggressive. But let's start with this SV3 Mega Bass spinner bait. Yeah.
Trolling motor.
Huh?
Drop the trolling motor so we can just troll around here. Well, we can drift in the wind, but we might end up in the bushes. Not a big deal.
Not a big deal, he said.
Yeah.
This thing has some nice action. Looks like a bluegill. Yeah, I'll drop the trolling motor right now. How deep is it right here on your fish finder, you said? 9 feet? 6 feet? Perfect. Some shallow water. So it doesn't seem like they want the spinner bait. I'm gonna go ahead and switch off to you know what? Around here I'd say let's go with the drop shot. Why not? Start off with the 4.5-inch robo worm, the holographic shed. You know what, it's holographic or hologram, I think. I don't know, but it's a good color. Water's still pretty stained, or has some stain to it, but we'll see. Yeah, I did really good with it last year here, this time of year, so there it is, guys. I love putting braid on spinning rods, dude. This feels so good. Got one. First cast, baby. Yep, first cast. Yep, another one. What? Hey. Got two in a row. Back to back, baby. Hey, I told you. I was like, move a little forward. Just right here. Here's a little guy. Flip him onto the boat. Phew. Let's go, baby. Little guy.
How cute.
Still counts. I know, compared to that fucking Mondo, it was a nice one. Fuck, try to choke that thing. Yes, sir. This means Ned time. I know, I'm gonna pick up the Ned and... Alright, little guy. Thanks for playing. Catch and release. Two fish, back-to-back casts. Let's see if we can't get another one. Would have taken a picture of him just for the record, but it was a little sminny. Oh, I missed one. Dude. I hit him with that 1-2 combo. Fucking didn't want the spinner bait. Doubled back on him with the drop shot. Seemed to be the deal. Got another one. Fish on, baby. Third one already, dude. It's back to back. Another little spinny guy. Tiny bit bigger than the other one. Boat flip for sure, though. Yes, sir. Three fish and like 4 casts. Let's go, baby. Looks like something bit your worm. There's like a bite mark on it. Hmm?
On the rubber or the other?
The other one. You gonna do some baiting weight?
Yeah. Clear through the pole.
Man, what a lovely overcast day. I can't stop saying that, dude. It's such a nice day.
You want to keep moving or more?
Just a little more. Another one. It's a nicer one. 4th fish of the day, guys. We haven't even been here for an hour. You mind netting them real quick, bro? Or I think I can boat flip them. I got it. I don't want them to ruin the worm. Yes, sir. All we're doing is covering water. Just moving here and there, and man, I'm sticking them. 4th fish, guys. Want to move down a little further? You want to move down? Gonna try to spin it back and try the other spots we already did. See if we missed any. All right, everyone. Well, first battery died. On to the second, 100% battery. Let's do this. Well, a little update, everyone. Caught 7 so far. 2 I didn't get on camera. They were little guys though, so it's all right. But it's about 2:15 right now, and we're about to leave around 3. Been here for since about 10, so not too bad. 7 fish. I mean, I knew we were gonna kill them because there hadn't been boats out here, but yeah, not a bad day.
Oh, right on. Hell yeah.
Came off. That was a nice one too.
Oh well.
Another one, guys. Just lost number 8, but this is just about to be number 8 right here. Oh, he's in the anchor. Oh, come on, flip over. Oh, there you go. Nice. There you go, guys. Number 8 would have been number 9, but I'll take it. Yes, sir. All right, let's release them, guys. Number 8, yes, sir. All right, guys, well, we're gonna call it a day. It's about 3. I got work right now in the afternoon, so that's gonna be it for today in this fishing adventure. But man, it was a good one. I can't complain. 8 fish, lost 1, had a few other bites, but didn't hook them. So it's gonna be it for the day, guys. Next time we come out here, the mission is to get Drew off of the skunk. So we'll see what happens, guys. See if we can get it done. So the next one, stay tuned. Back on land, yes sir. I got 8, lost 1. Yeah. What was that? The biggest one was about 2.5, 3 pounds. Yeah. Have a good day, boss. Yeah, all bass.